Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. The French Army operates a range of armored vehicles and tanks, including the Leclerc main battle tank, the VBCI infantry fighting vehicle, and the VAB armored personnel carrier. These vehicles provide the necessary mobility, protection, and firepower to accomplish a variety of military objectives. Today, we will show you the 10 best armored vehicles and tanks in the French Army. But before we get started, if you do enjoy this video and would like to see more just like it, remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get more sent straight to your notifications. VBCI. The VBCI is a French-wheeled infantry fighting vehicle. The first prototype was completed in 2004. It is a successor to the aging AMX-10P. The VBCI has a welded steel and aluminum armor hull with add-on modular armor protection level that can be adapted to the threat. It seems that basic armor provides all-round protection against 14.5mm armor-piercing rounds. The VBCI infantry fighting vehicle is fitted with the Jaguar one-man turret. The vehicle is armed with a fully stabilized dual-fed 25mm cannon and coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. The cannon is compatible with standard NATO ammunition. It fires single-round 3-round bursts, 10-round bursts, or in fully automatic mode. Its APF SDS rounds penetrate 85mm of armor at 3,280 feet, 1,000-meter range. The vehicle has a crew of 2 and can carry 9 troops. Commander dismounts with the troops. Titus. The Titus mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicle was developed by Nexter. It is a combination of MRAR and armored personnel carrier. The vehicle has a welded steel hull. A baseline version provides all-round protection against 7.62mm armor-piercing rounds. Up to 13,200 pound, 6 ton, of add-on patented Safe Pro armor can be fitted for a higher level of protection. With add-on armor fitted, the Titus provides all-round protection from 14.5mm rounds. This French armored vehicle has a V-shaped hull for improved protection against mines and IED blasts. It withstands a blast equivalent to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, of TNT anywhere under the hull. The Titus can be fitted with Nexter ARX-20 remotely controlled module, armed with 20mm cannon and coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. Other remotely controlled weapon stations can also be fitted. This French vehicle has a crew of 3 including commander, driver, and gunner. It carries 10 fully equipped troops. Leclerc. The Leclerc main battle tank was developed by GIAT Industries as a successor to the AMX-30 series tanks. Production of the Leclerc started in 1991. This tank is named in honor of General Philippe Jacques Leclerc, commander of the French Armored Division during World War II. The Leclerc is among the best main battle tanks in the world. A total of 406 of these tanks were built for the French Army. It is protected with an advanced modular armor system which can be tailored to the threat. Its armor is a combination of steel, ceramics, and Kevlar. The Leclerc main battle tank is armed with a 120mm smoothbore gun. It is fitted with a bustle-mounted autoloader which holds 22 ready-to-use rounds. The autoloader provides a maximum rate of fire in 12 rounds per minute. It is claimed the Leclerc can engage 6 targets located 1.5 to 2 kilometers away within 1 minute with a hit probability in 95%. VAB Mk3. The VAB Mk3 armored personnel carrier was developed by Renault Truck Defense. The vehicle was publicly revealed in 2012. The VAB Mk3 follows the line of the previous VAB series of armored personnel carriers. However, it is a new design rather than upgrade or modernization of the existing vehicle. The VAB Mk3 is being proposed both in a 4x4 and 6x6 configuration. The vehicle has a payload capacity of 16,500 pounds, 7.5 tons, so it has growth potential for future upgrades. The new APC has a welded steel hull with modular add-on armor. Protection level can be tailored to suit mission requirements. The vehicle with maximum level of protection withstands 14.5mm armor-piercing rounds. The VAB Mk3 can be fitted with a TRT-25 remotely controlled module developed by BAE Systems. It is armed with 25mm M242 Bushmaster chain gun. This gun is dual-fed. The armored vehicle can transport up to 12 troops, including commander and driver. Jaguar. The Jaguar is a new French armored reconnaissance vehicle. A mock-up of the Jaguar was first publicly revealed in 2016. It was planned that a total of 248 Jaguars would be delivered to the French Army. The Jaguar is operated by a crew of 3, including commander, gunner, and driver. The Jaguar is armed with a fully stabilized 40mm automatic cannon. It has a maximum effective range of 4,920 feet, 1,500 meters. The gun has a dual feed system and a rate of fire of around 180 rounds per minute. The Jaguar is also fitted with French MMP medium-range anti-tank missiles, mounted on either side of the turret. These are fire-and-forget type missiles with a maximum range of 13,100 feet, 4,000 meters. The Jaguar provides better protection for its crew than the older vehicles. All-round ballistic protection is against 14.5mm armor-piercing rounds and artillery shell splinters. Also, the Jaguar has a V-shaped hull, which provides protection against landmines and improvised explosive devices. AMX-10RC. The AMX-10RC is a medium-weight reconnaissance vehicle armed with a 105mm cannon. The vehicle, supplied by Nexter Systems, formerly GIAT, has been in service with the French Army since 1980. There are 2 turret configurations for the AMX-10RC, the TK-105 turret with the light 105mm gun or the TML-105 turret with 105mm NATO standard gun, both manufactured by Nexter Systems. The TK-105 and TML-105 turrets use a manlet sight, which is firmly linked to the movements of the gun for firing accuracy. The AMX-10RC can destroy single and triple NATO heavy tanks at a distance of 7,200 feet, 2,200 meters. The hit probability is stated as higher than 90% at 6,560 feet, 2,000 meters. This close defense of the AMX-10RC is provided by a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun. The vehicle is amphibious with a maximum speed of 2 meters per second in water. Griffin. The Griffin is a new French armored troop carrier with 6x6 configuration. It was developed to meet requirements of the French VBMR program, which called for new multi-purpose armored vehicles to replace an aging VAB armored personnel carrier, which is used by the French Army in large numbers. Until 2025, the French Army planned to acquire a total of 1,722 Griffin armored vehicles in several different variants. The Griffin offers better protection for its crew and occupants than the VAB. Its steel armor hull provides protection against small arms fire and artillery shell splinters. The maximum level of ballistic protection is against 14.5mm armor-piercing rounds. The Griffin is operated by a crew of 2 and can carry 8 dismounts. The main role of this vehicle is to deliver troops to the battlefield under armor protection. This armored vehicle is fitted with remotely controlled weapons station armed with 12.7mm or 7.62mm machine gun, or alternatively, a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. Leclerc XLR. The Leclerc Scorpion, or XLR, is a modernized version of the French-made Leclerc main battle tank designed and manufactured by the French company Nexter Systems. The renovated Leclerc XLR will keep the same armament as the standard Leclerc tank, which consists of a GIAT 120mm smoothbore gun designated the CN12026. The XLR is upgraded with a new armor package that includes additional modular armor on the hull and the turret. The Leclerc XLR will be equipped with an open electronic architecture, the new Contact Tactical Radio System, NBC protection system, night vision equipment, and the Scorpion information and command system and associated displays. The renovated Leclerc will also be fitted with the Barrage Counter IED Jammer, coupling of inertial navigation and GPS system, new man-machine interfaces for commander and gunner, redesign of main system computers, and health and usage monitoring system. Serval. The Serval is a French light multi-role armored vehicle. It was developed by Nexter in an extremely short time to complement the Griffin armored personnel carrier and Jaguar armored reconnaissance vehicle. First prototypes were delivered to the French Armed Forces in 2018. Deliveries of full-rate production vehicles began in 2022. By the end of 2022, a total of 70 Servals were delivered. French Armed Forces used this armored vehicle in 3 main versions, including patrol, reconnaissance, and communications vehicle. In its baseline form, this armored vehicle is operated by a crew of 2, including the driver and vehicle commander weapon operator. The Serval accommodates 8 dismounts. Troops enter and leave the vehicle via rear doors. This armored vehicle provides ballistic protection for the crew and passengers. It also survives mine blasts. The Serval can be equipped with a remotely controlled weapon station. The vehicle is also fitted with threat detectors and combat information system. EMBT. The EMBT, Enhanced Main Battle Tank, presented at Eurosatory 2022, is a French-German, new, very unique experimental platform featuring a 4-men's crew concept, including 2-men turret and 2-men chassis. Equipped with an evolutionary turret armed with a 120mm cannon coupled to new generation ammunition, Shard, and a completely new and reconfigurable MMI, man-machine interface. This allows dynamic task allocation and testing of innovative crew concepts, with a variable number of crew stations, including the presence of a system operator. As a response to the cognitive workload of the tank commander, it enables to leverage of the full potential of an extensive sensors and effector suite while progress is being made on artificial intelligence technologies. The EMBT is based on tracked chassis of the German Leopard 2 tank fitted with a modified French Leclerc MBT turret. The turret is armed with a 120mm L52 smoothbore gun able to fire all the standard 120mm NATO ammunition. The turret of the EMBT is fitted with a new generation of passive and active armor and also integrates Israeli Trophy Active Protection System and ELAW's laser warning system developed by the Israeli company Elbit Systems. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the armored vehicles and tanks you like the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.